Welcome to Tally on Wheels, the best cloud-based audit automation tool available for finance professionals like chartered accountants, tax practitioners, and accountants. In this video, we will show you how to use user-defined ledger classification function for Schedule III Financials. Go to Financial Statements tab under the Financials Reports module. Click the Ledger Classification option. Next, search ledger of which you want to change the classification. This shows the current classification of the ledger. You can change the classification of the ledger by clicking the green button. Upon that, you will see a drop-down to select the classification according to your need. Once you select it, click Update Classification button to save it in the system. With this, you can see that the new classification is displayed as per your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Tally on Wheels, making your audit process quick, efficient, and reliable. Contact support@tallyonwheels.com for further assistance.